just like, could I just, yeah, maybe like, how much would an inch be on my hair? Yeah, I think I'll do just an inch.
Okay, yeah. Do you like it all length or a little bit of layering in it?
All one thing.
Okay.
Try to even it out as much as possible.
Yeah, so it looks like your sides are just a little bit shorter, like a possible face framing.
I'm on this side.
Pull it a little bit, so that way it like keeps the length in your back as much as possible, but then it will make it so this is like all nice and solid up to this like stuff that's a little bit shorter through here, or do you want to leave this the length that it is and then just try to like cut everything else and then just let that continue to grow?
Yeah, I think I'll do the second option.
Okay, yeah,
because I'm trying to like grow out the front so it starts to get more even.
Mm-hmm. And so it looks like you have naturally curly hair. Yeah. So do you want me to dry cut you today so that way we don't shrink back up? Yeah. And then that way, wherever you decide to part, whether you decide to change it one day or like do it up style and like kind of move it around, then it'll be nice and even on your ball.
Yeah, it looks a lot more even.
Yeah, it just looks healthier in general, and that's just like getting that little bit of dryness on the bottom really does make a big difference. So, yeah, and that's what you actually look like. Beautiful.
the haircut, it went super great. The stylist was super informative and very friendly and fast, and she was able to even out my hair a lot more, as well as get my split ends, which look a lot better now. Here's a close-up view. My hair did kind of frizz up over the night last night and throughout the day yesterday, so it's not as straight as it was when I first did my video, but definitely was able to get all of my like dry split ends off, and my hair looks a lot more healthier. So yay, that's super great, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video.